Looking for the perfect all-in-one selfie stick and tripod combo? In this video, I review one of the best tripod selfie stick available in the market, breaking down everything from build quality to real-world performance. Whether you are a content creator, traveler, or someone who just wants a hands-free way to take better photos and videos, this gadget might be just what you need. Welcome back to your own insight channel, Tips, Trick and Truth, where you will get a complete and honest insight of any product. And I know today here you want to know everything about this tripod selfie stick. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's take it out of the box. The selfie stick comes with a battery-powered remote control that supports shooting up to 10 meters and can be easily detached. And there is a plastic cover for it's called safety cover, so let's take it out. This remote makes very easy to take or capture videos or photos. Now I'll show you that how you can take your battery out. So there is a button. You have to just twist it a little bit and then the battery will come out this way. So let's check the length, quality and everything of this tripod selfie stick. We have to pull it out this way and there is a very good space to attach your mobile phone over here, and you can see for the support there is a this thing. You have to open it like this way so that the grip of your phone will be just perfect. The mobile holder rotates 360 so that you can capture photos and make videos in vertically and horizontally in both ways. It's a 60 inches long selfie stick. You have to just pull it out all way and you can see it's very long. Let's open the base part. So you have to just pull it outside and easily you can stand it anywhere. It's made of aluminum alloy, so the tripod is not heavy. It's very lightweighted, rust-free and sturdy and durable. So now you can see the full length of this selfie stick. And also this is very easy to fold it. You have to just push it down. So I'm going to give a closer look at how you can open it and can fold it. Also, the handle of this selfie stick is anti-slip, so the grip will be perfect when you are making your videos or taking pictures. Let's connect the remote with your mobile. So you have to long press the button on the remote control. You can see the light is blinking over there. That means your remote is ready to pair. You have to turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile, then pair your remote with your mobile. So it is very easy. You can adjust your mobile holder in different angles like this and rotate in 360 degrees. Let's take an insight of this product. This is compact and lightweighted. This can be extended up to 60 inches and you can take a wide view of your videos and your photos. It has built-in Bluetooth remote, which is a very easy and convenient way to record your videos and take photos. It has 360 rotatable phone holder. It's made with aluminum. The quality and durability of this product is really very good. So here I can show you that how you can use a remote. So you can see I have to just click the button. You can see I have captured some pictures over there. And also this is very compact in size. You can easily keep it in your bag while going out or going for a vacation. This video is useful for you. If you have any question, comment and suggestion regarding this product or any other product, please comment below, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more honest product insight. See you in the next video. Keep doing smart shopping. Bye bye.